production systems that we have discussed in the earlier lecture requires different type of manufacturing process, and they require different condition for their working. Selection of a manufacturing process is a strategic decision, as any change in the same is a very costly and time consuming affair. Therefore, the manufacturing process is selected at the stage of planning a business venture. This must be selected keeping in view two very important parameters. First being that the manufacturing process that has been selected or being selected for a production system it's a mandatory thing, must meet the specification of the final product. And second, it has to be cost effective. So basically the manufacturing process is classified into four types: jobbing, batch, mass and process type. So let's understand them one by one. First is jobbing manufacturing process. This is used to produce one or few units of the product as per the requirement and specification of the customer. Production is to meet the delivery schedule and cost are fixed prior to the contract made. Second is batch manufacturing process. This is used to produce limited quantities of each of the different types of products in the form of batches. These batches of different products are manufactured on same set of machines. That means different batches of products are produced separately, one after the another. Third is mass or flow manufacturing process. This is used to produce a large quantity of same product at a time that is stocked for sale. All machines are required, equipments are arranged according to a sequence of operations, and this is termed as line arrangement or flow. This in turn ensures a very high rate of production. One line arrangement can produce only one type of products. Therefore, a different line arrangement is required for different product. Then we have process type manufacturing process. This is used to produce the products which need a particular process or a definite set of sequences of operation. Let's say for example petroleum. In this, production run is conducted for an indefinite time period.